A reliable trailer hitch is one of those things you really don't want to cut corners on. Whether you're hauling a boat to the lake, pulling a camper across the country, or just moving stuff around on the weekends, the right hitch makes towing feel solid and stress-free. And the wrong one is a problem you really don't want to discover when you're already on the road with something heavy behind you. So we did the research and found the 7 best trailer hitch options across both heavy-duty and everyday towing needs. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these trailer hitches aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Max Haul Triple Ball Mount. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. 3 balls, 1 hitch, and a price tag that won't hurt your wallet. This one covers almost every trailer you'd ever need to pull. It has 3 different ball sizes all on one mount. You're gonna have 1 7/8 inch, 2 inch, and 2 5/16 inch. So whether you're hauling a small utility trailer, a mid-size camper, or something heavier, you're covered without buying separate hitches. That saves you time and money. The weight ratings back that up. Depending on which ball you're using, it handles anywhere from 2,000 all the way up to 7,500 pounds. That puts it in Class 3 and 4 territory, so it works with most trucks, SUVs, and vans. And here's what Erica says. I've had mine for a while now, has always worked great, has not rusted, and is out in the weather all day, every day. Love having the 3 different sizes readily available on one. The body is 10 inches long, which gives you a little extra distance between the trailer and your vehicle. So there's less chance of things bumping into each other on tight turns. And the heavy-duty black powder coat finish keeps rust and scratches from becoming a problem down the road. So if you want a hitch that handles multiple trailer sizes without spending a lot, the Max Haul Triple Ball Mount is a smart pick. Number 6 is the Reese Tow Power Class 3 Starter Kit. This is the best ball mount on our list. This starter kit gives you everything you need to start towing without any extra hunting for parts. The ball comes pre-attached to the mount, so there's no setup headache. You plug it in, lock it down, and you're ready. Whether you're pulling a boat, a camper, an ATV trailer, or a utility trailer, it handles all without a second thought. The build is all welded steel, so it's not going to flex or feel loose under load. It's rated for up to 6,000 pounds gross trailer weight with 600 pounds of tongue weight. That's more than enough for most everyday towing needs. The mount has a 2-inch drop and a 2-inch shank, which fits most standard receivers cleanly. It also comes with a receiver lock, which a lot of hitches at this price skip entirely. Plus, it's tested to exceed SAEJ 684 safety standards. On top of that, Reese backs it with a limited lifetime warranty. So if you want a ball mount hitch that's complete, dependable, and ready from day one, the Reese Tow Power Starter Kit is hard to beat. Number 5 is the Bulletproof Hitches Drop/Rise. This is the most heavy-duty model on our list. It's rated for 14,000 pounds of gross trailer weight with a 2,000-pound tongue weight that's Class 4 territory. And it covers a wide range of trucks and SUVs with a standard 2-inch receiver. So whatever you're hauling, this hitch isn't going to be the weak link. What's interesting is the adjustability. It has 5 different ride heights with up to 6 inches of drop or rise, and you can switch between them in under 15 seconds. That matters when you're towing different trailers at different times and need the hitch level each time. It also comes with both a 2-inch and a 2 5/16 inch dual ball mount, so you're covered for multiple trailer sizes right out of the box. As for the build, the box steel construction is laser cut, CNC machined, and robotically welded. The full-length gusset at the rear eliminates the leverage that causes rattling, and the textured powder coat keeps rust from becoming an issue over time. Here's what Bryson wrote. I've used and abused this hitch for years, and nothing bad has happened so far. I've pulled everything from round hay bales to tractors and cars with it, and it's done just fine. It does sit on the pricier end, but for this level of strength and precision, that's expected. So if you need a hitch that handles heavy loads without flinching, the Bulletproof Adjustable is the one to get. Number 4 is the Garvey 3-point Quick Hitch. This is the best 3-point quick hitch for tractors on our list. Tractor work slows down fast when swapping implements takes forever. But this trailer hitch fixes that problem without making things complicated. It fits 99% of Category 1 tractors and about half of Category 2 tractors without needing any modifications. Whether you're attaching a plow, a mower, or any other implement, it connects quickly and locks in place. The 5-position quick adjust bolts let you fine-tune the fit with no gaps and no guessing. And with 2 receivers built in, you'll have more flexibility for different attachment types. The capacity sits at 3,000 pounds, which covers most heavy farm implements, logs, and landscaping tools. And despite that strength, it stays light enough to handle without a struggle. Stability-wise, the reinforced triangular welding design keeps things from wobbling on uneven ground. That's a real issue with lighter hitches, especially when you're working on rough terrain. The high-strength alloy steel is built with anti-rust powder coating, which is rated to resist corrosion for over 10 years. So, weather and mud aren't going to wear it down quickly. Bushings are included too, which saves you an extra trip to the hardware store. So if you want a 3-point hitch that makes switching implements fast and reliable on your tractor, the Garvey is worth a serious look. And if you want to know the latest prices for the trailer hitches discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the B&W Tow and Stow. This is the best adjustable trailer hitch on our list. This one is for people who tow different things at different times and need a hitch that can keep up. Height adjustment is simple. Just pull 2 stainless steel pins, move the arm to the right position for your vehicle and trailer, and lock it back in. And swapping between the 2 ball sizes, 2-inch and 2 5/16 inch, is just a quick rotation. The towing capacity sits at 10,000 pounds gross trailer weight, so it handles most everyday towing without breaking a sweat. Then, it has a stow feature. When you're done towing, you rotate the hitch arm under the vehicle and pin it in place. It stays out of the way, doesn't catch your shin on it in the driveway, and no worrying about the garage door. And with the anti-theft design, once it's locked in the receiver, the adjustable arm can't be pulled out. The build quality matches the price. American-made steel, double-layered corrosion protection with an E-coat underneath a powder coat finish, and a lifetime warranty. So if you want an adjustable hitch that's genuinely thoughtful in its design, the B&W Tow and Stow earns its spot. Number 2 is the Maxhaul Platform Rack. This is the best hitch-mounted cargo carrier on our list. Getting 2 bikes from point A to point B without any hassle is so easy with this rack. It mounts straight into a standard 2-inch receiver and works with Class 1 through 4 hitches. It fits most SUVs, vans, and trucks without any adapter hunting. The total weight capacity is 75 pounds, up to 38 pounds per bike, which covers most everyday bikes without issue. The adjustable tire cradles and foam-padded hooks are what keep the bikes from shifting or scratching during the ride. Wheel diameters from 20 to 26 inches fit, widths up to 2 1/4 inches, and wheelbases up to 63 inches. It handles a wide range of bike sizes. The built-in locking knob keeps the main upright stable and cuts down on that annoying wobble you get with cheaper racks. And when you're not using it, the vertical post comes off, so it stores flat without taking up much space in the garage. One thing worth noting, it's not compatible with RVs, campers, or trailers, so it's strictly for regular vehicle use. It's an affordable option that covers the basics well without overcomplicating things. So if you need a simple, reliable way to carry 2 bikes on your hitch, the Maxhaul Platform Rack gets the job done. Number 1 is the Curt Fusion Trailer Hitch Mount. This is the best overall on our list. This one does exactly what a trailer hitch needs to do. It fits any standard 2-inch receiver, which covers the vast majority of trucks, SUVs, and vans on the road. The shank slides right in, the included hitch pin locks it down, and you're ready to tow. You don't have to track down any extra parts. The 2-inch tow ball comes already welded on, so there's nothing to assemble before your first use. The towing numbers are solid for an everyday hitch: 7,500 pounds gross trailer weight and 750 pounds tongue weight. And the 2-inch drop keeps your trailer level with most standard vehicle trailer setups, which matters more than people realize for safe, stable towing. Durability is well covered too. The body has a black powder coat finish, and the ball itself gets a polished chrome plating. Between the two, it resists rain, road salt, dirt, and snow without needing much upkeep. It's also one of the more affordable options on this list, which makes the overall package hard to argue with. So if you want a trailer hitch that handles everyday towing reliably, the Kurt Fusion is the one to beat. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect trailer hitch. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each trailer hitch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.